Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about how to effectively warm up your AWeber email list in 2024. Warming up your email list is crucial for ensuring good deliverability and engagement. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description box to access AWeber. Now let's get started. Before you start sending emails, it's essential to set up DKIM and DMARC on your domain. This helps improve your email deliverability and reduces the chances of your emails ending up in spam folders. Then, segment your email list based on factors like engagement level, purchase history, or interests. This allows you to send targeted emails that are more relevant to your subscribers, increasing engagement and reducing the risk of spam complaints. When warming up your email list, start slow by sending out a series of introductory emails or welcome sequences. These emails should focus on providing value to your subscribers and building rapport rather than making sales pitches. Also keep an eye on your email metrics, including open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates. Monitoring engagement helps you gauge the effectiveness of your email campaigns and identify any issues that need to be addressed. As your subscribers become more accustomed to receiving emails from you and engaging with your content, gradually increase the frequency of your email sends. However, be careful not to overwhelm your subscribers with too many emails too quickly. Personalization is key to keeping your subscribers engaged. Use merge tags to dynamically insert subscribers' names or other personalized information into your emails. Additionally, segment your list further based on subscriber behavior or preferences to deliver more targeted content. Above all, focus on providing value to your subscribers. Whether it's through informative content, exclusive offers, or helpful resources, make sure that each email you send adds value to your subscribers' lives. And finally, to further improve your email deliverability and avoid spam folders, consider using Warmbox. Warmbox is a great tool for warming up your inbox reputation and ensuring that your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to warming up your AWeber email list in 2024. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your email marketing efforts. Links to try AWeber and Warmbox can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching.